stove, a fridge, a coffee maker, also a microwave. In this cupboard right here, you'll find all your utensils, plates, wine glasses, ice bucket, and a toaster. Coffee utensils are right here as well. You get two complimentary waters and also a cool one. They're free, you don't have to worry about that. Over here now is where you do your laundry. Probably come on this side. Yeah. So this is where you do your laundry. You have a dryer and a washer. If you need detergent, it's on the house as well. You dial 0 and we'll bring detergent to you. Over here is an adjoining door in case friends are staying next door. You guys have access to the next door. No one can come inside the room as there's no laundry. Over here now you'll find your AC control unit and the fan that's over your bed. It's at 20 right now. If it's too cold, you guys can turn it down. All switches control the lights in the room as well. Over here you'll find your closet that you get an iron and an iron board, a suitcase rack, and at the end of the cover right here, this is your safe deposit box that you signed for. You can reset, forward it, and lock, and you're good to go. This is your bathroom. If you guys want to come and take a look. Bathroom is modern as you can see. Also, you get a panic phone on the inside in case anything happens. Moving along, switches control lamps and also the plugs right here. If you guys want to use the plug, you have to turn on that lamp independently. TV is controlled by digital. You guys get 2 remotes. So this is for the TV, this is for the cable. Right here you'll find your room service for Continental Breakfast only. Room service is also free for you guys as the breakfast is complimentary. As I said, the downstairs breakfast from 6:30 to 10 a.m. in the morning. Available channel listing is also located in your pocket right here. Over here you'll find your telephone, switch that controls that one light. And this lamp now is controlled by a foot switch. If you remove the chair, you'll simply switch at the bottom to turn it off. On this side now you'll have your lovely neighbors and a view of some other buildings and the mountains, if that's okay with you guys. The window is pull and push, and you have fresh air if you guys need fresh air. Otherwise, that is the tour of your lovely kitchen and room. My name is Corey. If you need anything, just ask for me.